Let's talk about CPUs, the unsung heroes behind smooth Power BI operations. They determine how fast your reports load and how efficiently your data processes. But not all CPUs are created equal. Some handle queries better than others. So if your Power BI is lagging like an old dial-up connection, it might be time for an upgrade. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Think of the minimum CPU requirement as the entry ticket to the Power BI performance show. Sure, a 1 GHz processor can do the job, but would you prefer a bicycle in a Formula One race? A faster processor helps ensure smoother interactions and keeps your data crunching on time. Speed matters. At 20 GHz or faster, your Power BI runs like a well-oiled machine. Lower speeds. That's like trying to stream HD video on a weak Wi-Fi signal, frustrating. If smooth operations are what you need, upgrading to higher gigahertz is a wise choice. Power BI needs a x64 processor. Think of it as the difference between a small desk and a spacious office. Bigger architecture means more room for complex computations, better memory handling, and a much smoother data experience. Imagine juggling multiple tasks at once. Multi-core CPUs do just that. They break up workloads, making Power BI reports run smoother. If your workload includes data crunching, a multi-core CPU is your best friend. So why settle for slow processing when you can supercharge your performance? Think of SSDs as a highway, while HDDs are a bumpy old road. Speed matters. Power BI loads reports faster with an SSD, giving you quick access to insights. A high-speed CPU works best when paired with fast storage. Because what's the point of a fast brain if it has slow legs? Ever tried running Power BI on low RAMs? It's like sprinting in mud, frustrating and slow. At least 4 GB will get you moving, but 16 GB lets you glide effortlessly through massive datasets. More RAM means more breathing room, and who doesn't want a smoother ride? Think of a GPU as the artist behind the scenes. It speeds up visuals, ensuring dashboards don't lag like an old movie reel. If your reports have complex visuals, a GPU boosts clarity and speed. And let's be honest, no one likes staring at a loading screen. Choosing between a server or desktop is like picking between a sports car and a commuter sedan. If your reports run on a server, power up with a beefier CPU. Desktop versions. A standard processor will do. The right choice depends on workload. Go big if you process massive data. Selecting a CPU is like picking the right tool for a job. You wouldn't use a spoon to dig a hole. High workloads need multi-core CPUs with speed. Striking a balance is key, ensuring Power BI runs efficiently. So pick wisely and let the reports flow. Buying a CPU isn't just for today, it's an investment for the future. A powerful processor keeps up with growing data demands, saving you from constant upgrades. Why settle for outdated tech when a future-proof CPU keeps Power BI ahead of the curve? Choosing the right CPU isn't rocket science, but it makes a difference. Balance is everything. CPU power, storage speed, and RAM capacity all work together. So invest wisely, and Power BI will thank you with smooth performance. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.